Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So guys, today on Howie Cooking Time, we are going to make some nice creamy coleslaw. So these are all the ingredients that I will use for this coleslaw. So I have 1 cabbage, quarter of bell pepper, 2 carrots, 1 tablespoon of sugar, 1 teaspoon of white vinegar, and guys, all my vegetables have been washed and cleaned. Also have my black pepper. I have my mayo. You can use any brand mayo of your choice. I have 1 vegetable peeler and my grater. So the first thing I will do is to grate my carrots. Okay guys, so now that I am finished with the carrots, going to add this to my large bowl. Then going to move on to my cabbage. So with my cabbage, the first thing I will do is to cut it in half. Then I will use my vegetable peeler to shred my cabbage, and then I will add that to the bowl as well. Now moving on to my bell peppers. So I use my vegetable peeler just to shred them as well. Then I add it to my bowl. Now that everything is nicely shredded, we are going to combine everything. Then we will add our other ingredients. Okay guys, so now that everything is nicely combined, first going in with half teaspoon of black pepper, then going in with my sugar, also going in with my white vinegar. So give this a good toss and combine everything. Right now going in with our mayo. So going in with 2 heaps of mayo. It depends on how creamy you want it, so you can use less or you can use more. Then we're going to use that same spoon to just mix everything together. So guys, as you can see, it is getting there. So once our coleslaw is ready, it has this sound to it. So listen to this, guys. This is what I love to hear. Guys, take a look at my coleslaw. It is so creamy and looking so delicious. So that is it guys, our coleslaw is nicely done. So for coleslaw, it tastes so much better when it's refrigerated. So I will transfer this into a smaller container so that I can allow this to chill in the fridge. So there you have it guys, our coleslaw is nicely done. It is all ready. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you like this video, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and also subscribe if you haven't done that already. Thank you so much for watching, and until I see you next time, bye guys.